You know the Indian Premier League. The glitz, the glamour, the impossible sixes, the deafening roar of millions of fans. It's cricket's biggest party, a domestic tournament that dwarfs entire international series. But what if I told you the IPL isn't just India's biggest cricket competition anymore? What if I told you it's a meticulously crafted billion-dollar blueprint to conquer global cricket? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating, strategic, and utterly mind-blowing reason why IPL owners, the same billionaires, the same Bollywood titans, the same corporate giants, are suddenly investing billions of dollars in cricket leagues across the world, from South Africa to America. If you've ever wondered how the IPL became the juggernaut it is and where cricket is truly headed, then you're going to love yourself for clicking on this video. Get ready to see the game in a whole new light. This is the billion-dollar blueprint. First, we have to understand the beast itself, the IPL. Launched in 2008, it wasn't just a cricket league, it was a revolution. It combined the passion of Indian cricket with the razzmatazz of American sports leagues and the financial muscle of top-tier global businesses. The result? A phenomenon. Its brand value alone has soared to nearly $4 billion, and the entire IPL ecosystem is now valued at over $18 billion. Think about that. We're talking about a sporting entity that generates billions annually, driven by insane viewership numbers, record-breaking media rights deals, and an almost fanatical following. But here's the crucial part. How do IPL teams actually make money? It's a question many fans ask. It's a multi-layered cake, but the biggest slice, the absolute foundation, comes from central revenue sharing, primarily from those massive media rights deals. The BCCI India's cricket board sells the broadcasting rights for eye-watering sums, and a significant portion of that is then shared with the franchises. This provides a stable, guaranteed income stream. Add to that lucrative sponsorships, jersey sponsors, team partners, ticket sales, merchandise, and even prize money. These teams aren't just toys for billionaires. They're incredibly profitable business assets. And these shrewd owners, these financial titans, quickly realized, if this model works here in India, why not take it global? Our first major example of this global blueprint in action takes us to South Africa and the SA20 League. Launched in 2023, the SA20 didn't just feel like the IPL, it was, by design, its direct progeny. Every single one of the 6 SA20 teams is owned by an existing IPL franchise owner. Mumbai Indians own MI Cape Town. Chennai Super Kings own Joburg Super Kings. Kolkata Knight Riders own Pretoria Capitals. You get the picture. This wasn't an accident. This was a calculated strategic move. Firstly, brand extension. Why build a new brand from scratch when you have an existing global powerhouse? MI Cape Town immediately inherits the Mumbai Indians' colossal fan base, marketing power, and operational expertise. It's brand transfer on an international scale. Secondly, talent pipeline. Imagine owning multiple teams across different leagues. Suddenly, you have a vast network to identify, develop, and even transfer talent. A promising young South African player discovered by MI Cape Town could one day be groomed for the Mumbai Indians. It's a global player development factory. Thirdly, diversification of revenue. Instead of all your eggs in one IPL basket, you now have revenue streams from multiple markets. Sponsorships, local media rights, ticket sales. It all adds up. The SA20 was a relatively low-risk, high-reward entry point into the global market because the core product, T20 franchise cricket, was already proven. It's a natural extension of their established business model. But the really audacious move, the one that truly signals the IPL's global ambition, is their deep dive into Major League Cricket, or MLC, in the United States. Cricket in America? For decades, it was a fringe sport, played primarily by expatriate communities. But with the MLC, and especially with the significant investment from IPL owners, again, multiple IPL franchises own MLC teams. That's all changing. Why America? Firstly, the diaspora. The US has a massive South Asian diaspora. Millions of people who already love cricket and the IPL. MLC is directly tapping into that existing passionate fan base. Secondly, growth potential. The US is the biggest untapped sports market in the world. If cricket can even capture a fraction of mainstream American attention, the financial returns could be staggering. This isn't just about selling tickets. It's about potentially unlocking a new frontier for cricket media rights, global sponsorships, and a vast new merchandise market. Thirdly, ICC events. With the T20 World Cup recently co-hosted by the US and future ICC events likely to be played there, the IPL owners are strategically positioning themselves to capitalize on cricket's biggest global showpieces in a new, rapidly developing market. It's a land grab for future growth. The investment isn't just in teams, it's in infrastructure, academies, and building a cricketing culture from the ground up. So what exactly is the billion-dollar blueprint? It's not simply buying teams, it's about building an interconnected global cricket empire. It's about diversification. Smart investors never put all their eggs in one basket. Owning teams in multiple leagues mitigates risk if one league faces challenges. It's about brand leverage. Their IPL team brands are already household names. This recognition translates directly to new markets, attracting fans and sponsors faster than a standalone new team could. It's about talent control. Imagine a multi-club ownership model in football, but for cricket. They can scout players globally, develop them within their SA20 or MLC teams, and then bring them to the IPL. This creates a global talent funnel directly benefiting their core asset, their IPL team. It's about calendar influence. With significant financial stakes in multiple leagues, IPL owners gain immense influence over the global cricket calendar. This allows them to push for more favorable windows for their leagues, ensuring the availability of top players and maximizing their investments. We're already seeing the pressure on bilateral series, and it's about asset appreciation. The value of these new franchises is expected to skyrocket as these leagues grow. IPL owners are investing early in emerging markets, betting on cricket's global popularity to explode even further. Their initial investment could turn into many multiples of return down the line. This isn't just a passing trend. It's a fundamental shift in the economics of cricket. We're moving towards a model where powerful franchise owners hold increasing sway, potentially rivaling national boards in influence. The days of cricket being solely governed by national federations might be slowly, but surely, giving way to a more commercially driven, global franchise ecosystem. Of course, this ambitious blueprint isn't without its challenges. Player burnout. Can players physically and mentally sustain playing in multiple demanding leagues throughout the year, in addition to international duty? International cricket versus franchise cricket. How will this balance evolve? Will players increasingly prioritize lucrative league contracts over national representation? This is a huge ongoing debate. Financial disparity. Will smaller cricket nations struggle to compete with the financial might of IPL-backed leagues, leading to a widening gap in global cricket? These are critical questions that the cricketing world grapples with. But one thing is certain, the IPL, through its visionary and financially powerful owners, has established a blueprint that is reshaping the game globally. They are not just buying teams, they are investing in the future of cricket, betting billions on its continued expansion and commercialization. From the bustling stadiums of India to the burgeoning markets of South Africa and the vast untapped potential of the United States, the IPL's influence is undeniable. It's a masterclass in sports business, turning a beloved game into a truly global economic force. The billion-dollar blueprint isn't just a theory. It's rapidly becoming the very foundation of modern cricket. What are your thoughts on this global expansion? Is it good for cricket? Or does it pose a threat to the game's traditional values? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this deep dive as fascinating as we did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next big cricket story.